Hello friends! Whenever a new bike is about to launch, every biker's heart starts beating faster. Everyone's mind has the same question. Will we see something new this time or the same old design? And this time the answer is something completely new and savage. Because Suzuki has forged its sharp-edged sport bike, 2026 Suzuki GSX-8R Metallic Triton Blue, which unleashes 776 cubic centimeters parallel twin power, sharp geometry handling, and full-on track-ready personality. So let's break down its top 10 points that make it the 650-plus class hooligan king. Number 1. Price and value for money. US MSRP for the 2026 Suzuki GSX-8R starts around $10,999 to $11,999. Metallic Triton Blue, undercutting many 900 class bikes by $2,000 to $4,000 plus. Suzuki packs the 776 cubic centimeters DOHC parallel twin with full LED lighting, 5-inch full-color TFT cluster, ride-by-wire throttle, dual-channel ABS, Suzuki Drive Mode Selector SDMS, assistant slipper clutch, and Sharp Sport ergonomics, all standard. You get roughly 90 horsepower and 58 to 60 lb-ft of torque, 6-speed gearbox, double cradle chassis, 310 mm front ventilated disc with 4-piston Nissan caliper, 240 mm rear disc with 1-piston Nissan, one 2070ZR 17 front, and one 8055ZR 17 rear tires, 3.7-gallon tank, and 31.9-inch seat height. Ownership is friendly. 1-year Suzuki warranty, 6,000 to 10,000 mile service intervals, 45 to 55 miles per gallon in mixed riding, and 200 to 40 mile range on one tank. It beats Yamaha R7 at $9,999, Ninja 800 at $9,599, and Ducati Monster 937 at $13,995. A smart, performance-focused pick. Number 2. Mileage and efficiency. Mid-class 452 pounds, wet. Sportbike sips fuel while punching above 900 class thirst. Ride-by-wire EFI, 776cc twin, and 6-speed gearbox give roughly 45 to 55 miles per gallon in the city and 50 to 60 miles per gallon at 70 to 80 miles per hour on the highway. The 3.7-gallon tank stretches 200 to 40-mile range even when ridden hard. Perfect for canyon days, San Diego to mountains trips, or cross-country runs. At 60 to 80 miles per hour, eco-leaning mapping keeps you around 55 to 58 miles per gallon, dropping to 45 to 50 miles per gallon in full attack mode. Still better than most 900-class superbikes. Real-world 250-mile canyon loops averaged 52 miles per gallon, and urban 50 miles per hour traffic held 50 miles per gallon. Twin-cylinder thrift keeps ownership affordable. Number 3. Engine and performance. The 776 cubic centimeters DOHC parallel twin makes about 90 horsepower at 500 RPM, and 58 to 60 lb-ft at 500 RPM, tuned for strong low and mid-range, plus a freer revving top end. 0 to 60 miles per hour lands in the mid 3-second band, roughly 3.5 to 3.8 seconds. The quarter mile at 11.5 to 11.8 seconds at 115. 118 mph and 50 to 80 miles per hour roll-on around 2.8 to 3.2 seconds. Enough to dominate 650 class bikes. The 6-speed box with assist slipper clutch smooths downshifts. Optional slip-on exhausts add 2 to 3 horsepower and sharpen the sound. The 270-degree crankshaft gives a V-twin-like rhythm that builds into a top-end howl. Torque is strong enough for light clutch-up wheelies. Mid-range handles 80 mph in fourth, and top-end can hit 160 to 170 miles per hour on a good stretch. Canyon Flicker, Weekend Tourer, and Track Day Warrior rolled into one. Number 4. Features and technology. The 5-inch full-color TFT with ride-by-wire offers standard/active modes, 3 power levels via SDMS, Bluetooth, navigation prompts, media controls, and a USB-C port. Dual-channel ABS with cornering-aware settings, SDMS, assist slipper clutch, and engine brake control give high-tech confidence without over-complexity. LED headlight, integrated LED signals and tail, compact digital/analog style layout, and premium switchgear keep the dash clean and sharp. Showa style 41mm front forks, link rear monoshock, 310mm front disc with 4-piston Nissan, 240mm rear disc with 1-piston Nissan, and 17-inch wheels deliver a balanced, track-ready package. Metallic Triton blue paint, black frame, gray wheels, and Suzuki GSX-8R graphics scream aggressive street fighter, and USB-C keeps phone or dash cam powered on the go. Number 5. Design and looks. GSX-8R carves sharp sport minimalist style into roughly 452 pounds. Wet, aggressive artwork. Metallic Triton blue tank and fairing with subtle contrast graphics. Aggressive twin LED headlight, semi-naked rear, and compact tail give a modern GSX look. Classic sport bike stance. 31.9-inch seat height, 5.7-inch ground clearance, 57.7-inch wheelbase, 120/70 ZR 17 front, and 180/55 ZR 17 rear. Clip-on style bars, rear setish pegs, and solo-leaning cockpit make it look built for corners. Double cradle frame, exposed parts, and simple finishes age well. The bike looks better with stickers and road grit than showroom fresh. Number 6. Performance and top speed. Top speed sits around 160 to 170 miles per hour on a long stretch, with a 6-speed box and 776cc twin feeling strong from 3,500 to 10,000 revolutions per minute. 0 to 60 miles per hour in the mid 3-second band keeps it competitive with 900 class superbikes, quarters in the mid 1/1-second band, and 30 to 70 miles per hour roll-on strong enough for sharp, neck-snapping overtakes. Metzeler style or Sport Street tires grip well into mid-turn lean, and the 23-inch style steering geometry lets the bike flick through corners like a 750 class bike while still feeling stable at speed. On Pacific-style roads, it carves smoothly. On I-80-style highways, it settles into a comfortable 80-90 mph cruise. Urban Assassin, Canyon Flicker, and Track Day, toy all in one. Number 7. Comfort and ride quality. The GSX-8R is tuned more for track and canyon days, but still works for 150, 200-mile trips. The 31.9-inch seat suits most riders. Clip-on style bars give a leaned-over attack position, and 41mm front and 5-inch rear travel soak up bumps despite the firm ride. Vibes stay tied up into the mid-100 mph band, thanks to the 270-degree twin. Wind protection is best around 80 to 100 miles per hour on straights. It's a naked fairing-style feel. Pillion-friendly seat and small pegs make limited 2-up riding possible. Real-world 200-mile canyon loops and short highway runs haven't produced extreme fatigue. It's a genuinely usable sport bike tourer. Number 8. Build quality and durability. Suzuki builds the GSX-8R with a steel double cradle frame, wet sump oiling, and a simple, over-engineered 776cc twin that's easier to service than many 900 class engines. Frame and plastic protectors are designed to survive minor drops, while the 450lb class weight and 31-inch seat height keep it manageable. Suspension is tuned for durability over ultra-race use. Expect long life with routine maintenance. Liquid cooling and large radiators handle 95 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit US summers, and 10W40 semi-synthetic oil at 6,000 mile intervals keeps the engine smooth. Suzuki offers a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty, extended protection options, and a wide US dealer network. High-mile examples are expected to hit 50,000 to 60,000 miles without major work. A true long-term companion. Number 9. Comparison and competition. In the 700-900 class sport bike class, key rivals are Yamaha R7, $9, $999, lighter and more compact, but less torque-heavy. Kawasaki Ninja 800, $9, $599, slightly more relaxed, less aggressive on track. Ducati Monster 937, $13, $995, more premium, heavier, and pricier. The GSX-8R wins with torque-rich parallel twin feel and V-twin-like rhythm. Aggressive road and track ergonomics at sub $12,200 pricing. Suzuki-style reliability and value versus Italian brand pricing. 4 sharp geometry sport bike character with mid-class power and friendly ownership. The GSX-8R is the smart choice. Number 10. Launch date and availability. The 2026 Suzuki GSX-8R Metallic Triton Blue is arriving at U.S. dealers in early 2026 as Suzuki's mid-range sport bike flagship. Many dealers list it with Metallic Triton Blue, Pearl Tech White, and Glass Blaze Orange among the first color options. Suzuki Motorcycles USA and local dealers show MSRP around $10,999 to $11,499, depending on state and dealer. Financing typically offers $160 to $200 per month at 4.9 to 6.9% APR for 60 to 72 months, making it easy to get into. Colors: Metallic Triton Blue, Aggressive Street Fighter, Pearl Tech White, and Glass Blaze Orange. Inventory is tight in many markets. Early test rides and orders are recommended. So friends, that's the savage review of the 2026 Suzuki GSX-8R Metallic Triton Blue.